Very good morning and hello students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahabar, your English teacher, and today we are going to start a lesson. That is lesson 3. A trip to Delhi. Investment in travel is an investment in yourself. So students, in this you will study about a travel log that is of Delhi. In this lesson, we will learn that there is a girl named Ananya who is narrating her friend Ritu about her trip to Delhi. Students, traveling leaves you speechless, then it turns you into a storyteller. Like that, Ananya is also telling her own story of traveling to her friend, because by visiting Delhi he had learned a lot of things, and this traveling is a memorable traveling for her. So students, first we will move to the reading part of this lesson. A travelogue. Dear Ritu, I could not write to you earlier because we were traveling. We are in Delhi now visiting my maternal grandparents. Delhi is so different from Lucknow. The part of the city where we are staying is called Mayur Vihar. Trees like Ashok, people, eucalyptus and many others growing on both sides of the road make this a very green area, and I love the flowering trees. As you drive along the road, you can see the lovely yellow lantana trees and the gulmohar trees covered with bright orange flowers. The house where my grandparents live has a small garden in front. From my window, I can see the pink and magenta bougainvilleas growing up the entire wall, and the champak and magnolia trees in full bloom. My uncle Sunny took us to see the sights of Delhi. First of all, we visited the Red Fort in Old Delhi. It lies along the river Yamuna. It is absolutely breathtaking. The fort got its name from the red sandstone out of which it was built. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built the fort, and can you imagine that it took him 10 years to complete it? The Prime Minister of India addresses the nation every year on 15 August from the fort. The other places we visited include the Qutub Minar, Roshnara Garden, Tughlaqabad Fort and the Lotus Temple. These are all places very popular with tourists. Thought we have been to so many places, we haven't even seen half the sights of Delhi so far. Delhi has a very long history. Did you know that Delhi existed even during the Mahabharata time? It was known as Hastinapur. Then, over the years, many great kings and emperors have built their places and fought in Delhi. In fact, the city is strewn with old historical monuments. One of the new landmarks of Delhi is the Akshardham Temple. It is a beautiful monument built entirely of stones. The landscapes, gardens around are very attractive. We enjoyed seeing the musical fountain and also the exhibition depicting the history of India. My cousins and I eat out a lot. Yesterday, uncle took us to the Parathe Wali Gali. The food there was yummy. In the evenings, we often drive down to the India Gate and have ice cream. It's fun shopping in Delhi. There are so many malls here. Father brought me a part of very trendy blue jeans and sneakers. One day I went with my mother to Old Delhi for shopping. She brought a pair of gorgeous gold earrings for herself and embroidered shawl for grandma. We also went to Delhi Haat, the sprawling market place where traditional craftsmen from all over India sell their wares. We brought many gift items to take back with us. Oh, I forget to mention, they have a dog named Duffy. He is a pug. We have become good friends. I take him out for walks every day. I will carry the sights and the smells of Delhi for a long time with me. Yours lovingly, Ananya. So students, the reading part of this story is now completed. In part 2, I will explain this lesson completely.